Hi everyone, in front of me I've got TECNO Spark 20 Pro Plus, and let me share with you how to use secret codes on this device. So let's start with opening the dialer, and let's begin with the shortest code, which is *#06#. And as you can see, by this code we are provided with both IMEI numbers and the serial number of this device. Let's tap on OK, and let me show you another code, which is *##225# or ###. And here we are in the calendar information. So here we've got all events gathered in one place. We can check some family events, some holidays in your country should also appear right here, or events attached to your mail. I do not have the information because I do not have my Google account added, but if you will have one, you will be able to see everything. So basically this is a good place to check the overall amount or overall number actually of the events, because unfortunately you cannot really tap on the specific category, so you can only check how many events you've got in this specific category. Alright, let me go back, and another code *##426#*##. And here we are in the Diagnostics, so you can check the server, host port, time connected. It should basically appear right here, or signal strength. Moreover, you can tap on events, and here we've got some further details. You can also show advanced view, so just tap on the three dots icon in the right upper corner, tap on the advanced view, and then go to status, or tap on status again. And here we've got more information. So for example, the heartbeat, last ping, or HB algorithm. Let's go back, and let me show you the last code for today's video, which is *##4636#*##. And here we are in the testing mode, so here we can check the phone info, usage statistics, or Wi-Fi info. So basically just tap on the specific option, and it should show you some further details. For example, in phone info, we've got the car network, data service, voice service. Here you can also run ping test, and after tapping on the three dots icon, you can enable data connection or view fixed dialing numbers. As you can see, for some reason, in my case, usage statistics and Wi-Fi information doesn't work, but I highly recommend to check yours, because there is a chance that in your case it will work fine. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.